Hey homeowners, it's time to elevate your living spaces with the latest false ceiling designs for 2024. Today I'm diving into the hottest trends that will transform your ceilings from drab to fab. First up, let's talk materials. This year, sustainable options are all the rage. Think bamboo and reclaimed wood. Not only do they look stunning, but they're also eco-friendly. Perfect for those of you looking to go green. Next, metallic finishes are making a big splash. Whether it's copper, brass, or brushed nickel, these finishes add a touch of luxury and sophistication. Imagine a ceiling that catches the light and adds a warm glow to your room. Now on to design elements. Geometric patterns are in. Hexagons, triangles, and even abstract shapes. They add a modern edge and visual interest. Pair them with recessed lighting to create a dynamic and stylish look. Another exciting trend is the use of mixed materials. Combining wood, metal, and even fabric can create a unique and personalized ceiling. It's all about layering textures to add depth and character to your space. Let's not forget about color. Bold, dark hues like navy blue and deep green are making ceilings a statement piece. If you're feeling adventurous, try a matte black ceiling for a dramatic effect. And for those who love a bit of sparkle, backlit ceilings with LED lights are a game changer. They create a soft ambient glow that's perfect for setting the mood. Plus, you can change the colors to match your vibe, so there you have it. The latest false ceiling trends for 2024. Whether you're renovating or just looking for a fresh update, these ideas will definitely inspire you. For personalized interior design solutions, consult Barde Infra. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.